Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You must be a global admin or privileged authentication administrator. Once confirmed, make sure target users exist and have valid contact methods registered. Phone numbers and authenticator apps are preferred. Open the Azure portal and go to Azure Active Directory. This is where you begin. Next, decide policy scope. Will you enable MFA for all users, a security group, or via conditional access? Make that choice now, so subsequent steps apply to the correct accounts. Once done with scope, go to Security Authentication Methods and enable the methods you want. Microsoft Authenticator Push, Verification Code, Phone Call, SMS, and Oath Tokens. Then navigate to Conditional Access, create a policy, include the chosen users or groups, and under Access Controls, select Grant Require Multi-Factor Authentication. Make sure to exclude break glass or emergency admin accounts so you don't lock out recovery. Save the policy, but leave it disabled until you've tested with pilot users. You now test with pilot users. Ask them to register MFA and perform sign-ins to validate prompts and fallback options. Once tests pass, enable the conditional access policy for production and monitor sign-in logs and conditional access insights to confirm enforcement. If things go wrong, check common issues. Unregistered authentication methods, device clock skew affecting TOT, Azure AD Connect sync delays, and accidental exclusions. Also ensure emergency accounts retain access. Finally, iterate policy settings and communicate changes to users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.